what you do is that you open the cover, you take your fruit like this one, you bite it.
Welcome to Farming with Jay Kusenga Farm. Today's topic is not just any other topic but about sugars. Sugars is what we are going to talk about. And did you know that every fruit has sugars, including lemon? Yes, I know you didn't know. But today at Jay Kusenga, we have a refractometer, a portable refractometer. It is used to measure the sugar levels of any fruit.
Why we use it in the farm is just to understand the sugars in all our fruit trees and if they are ripe to take them to the market. Range out to know is because there is a range between 1 to 20. 1 to when your fruit trees they are between 1 to 9, it means that they are not ready for the market, or they don't have the right sugars that when you consume as a person, they are going to help or benefit you as a person. But when they are more than 10 to 15 or to 20, it means the sugars are very good and they are more, and they are good even for your body, and also you're going to get the right sugars for your body.
Our first fruit of the day to test is cherry guava or strawberry guava. We want to see if it will pass the threshold as we have been explained by himself.
This one, what you do is that you open the cover, you take your fruit like this one, you bite it. See, this is the fruit when you bite, and then you look for the liquid so that you can put the liquid, the small liquid. See the liquid in that. Then you close the cover, and then you check here. Naona ni kweli ni
15, sio?
Iko 15.
15 for this is a pass. For any farmer, this is a pass.
So the higher the range, the better for you as the consumer. So example, if something is like 20, you're very good. That is a very good number. It shows that the sugars are very high. And for fruit tree like this one, this one we have seen it is 15. So for one like this one, it means that the sugars level is at 15, and 15 is a very, very good number for us. And if 15 is a good number for us, it means that the sugars that I'm getting in my body, they are going even to build my immune system, my immunity to be more effective. So the higher the level in the Brix, the good for you as the consumer. So you're also texting Brix. Hey. Ona sasa hapa tungekuwa na ile so this is an apple we are testing. It's this kind of color. Guys, meno yangu zinaonekana venye zinakaa. So you need like 2 drops and you're good to go. Then unifunga, then tunaiangalia, naipea just some minutes. Hapa tunaona hii ingine ya chini iko but hii iko 10. 10 is also good, it's not bad.
Apple sugars for Anna apples, 10. Tick.
The next we are testing is this one. This is gooseberry. They look this way. Or this way. Ijaiva. But we're testing this one. Sawa.
Gooseberry is 15. Tick.
Okay.
Acha tu confirm.
Yeah. 15. Iko sawa? Kuja tuchukue ya strawberry. So after any test, what you do, you wash. Maji mostly inakuanga zero. Unajua hivyo? Inakuanga base for many things. Lakini si maji ya chumvi. Okay? Then hebu angalia kama iko sawa. Hebu angalia kama imerudi zero.
Iko zero.
Iko zero. So if you are at zero, now you can now test for another fruit. Uko sawa? Oh.
Yeah? Yeye ina juice. Iko 10 point something.
10 point something.
Yes. 10 plus
Something.
hiyo ni nini? Inaitwaje?
Strawberry.
Strawberry?
Strawberry 10 point something.
Strawberry is 10. Tick.
11.